Hello everyone, very good morning. Yes, hi, hello. Had your breakfast? Ready to listen the class? Yes, very good. So, in our yesterday class, we have started our new lesson, fractions, right? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction represents part of a whole. In fractions, we have discussed about proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fractions. Proper fraction, in proper fraction, numerators are less than denominators. Correct. In proper fraction, numerators are less than denominator. Yes, Purti. And in improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. Numerators are greater than denominator. And in what is mixed fraction? Combination of whole and a part, whole and a fraction is called a mixed fraction. And today we are going to solve our exercise sums. Okay, so first our exercise is exercise 2.1. We will solve the sums based on our fractions. So first we will start exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. First sum. Okay. So the first sum is 2 minus 3 upon 5. 2 minus 3 upon 5. So this is the question. We have to solve this. See here, this is the whole number. We don't have fraction, right? Denominator is not there. But here minus 3 by 5. What you will do now? Already we have solved the sums like this, Fatima, right? So here nothing means you have a 1. Denominator is there. Okay, it's a 1. Denominator is 1. You have to assume denominator is 1 minus 3 by 5. 2 by 1 minus 3 upon 5. 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. This is the question now. Now denominators are different. We have to make same denominator. So I will take LCM of these numbers. See here, this is 1 and 5. No need to take LCM directly in mouth itself. We can solve 1 5s are 5. If we take LCM, then also same. Without writing using paper and pen, we can calculate in our mind. So 1 5s are 5. 5 is the LCM. 1 5s are 5. 5 is the LCM. So otherwise you can write it and check. Always you have to start from smaller number. 1 1s are 1 5 as it is. Next 5 1s are 5 as it is. So 1 into 5 into 1. So 5. 5 is our LCM. This only I said no need to do the sum using pen and paper. Easily you can calculate through our mind. So 5 1s are 5. So I'll write down here 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. In one table when 5 1s are 1 5s are 5. 5 1s are 5. So same 5 I'll copy for numerator. Same what we have multiplied in a denominator. Same number I'll copy for numerator. So then 2 5s are 10. 1 5s are 5 minus 3 1s are 3. 5 1s are 5. So in 10 if you subtract 3, it's a 7. 7 upon 5. It's a 7 upon 5. So it's an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. It's an improper fraction. Improper fractions we can convert for mixed fraction. Only improper fractions can be converted to mixed fractions. So I will convert this. I will divide it. Sub 5 ones are 5, 2 remainder. So now 5 is our denominator, quotient. Okay. Sorry. So one should come here. and quotient. Okay, quotient should go for numerator. Quotient should go for numerator. 5 ones are 5. When you multiply it again, it should reach same answer. So 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So 1, 2 upon 5 is the answer. 1, 2 upon 5 is the answer. So it's a QRD form. QRD form. QRD form. Quotient, remainder, divisor. Okay. So second question, we'll move to second question. Second question is 4 plus 7 by 8. 4 plus 7 upon 8. This is the question. So here also no need to take LCM because here nothing means we have a one denominator is 1. Denominator is 1. So 1 8s are 8. 8 is our LCM. 8 is our LCM. Don't write Fatima, Soham, Ghanavi, don't write, just listen. I will send it through WhatsApp. Okay, I will send the pic through WhatsApp. I will share it in a WhatsApp. Just see and listen. Why, Fatima, you are happy? Yes, just see this. The second question is 4 plus 7 upon 8. Okay, Shreyas? 4 plus 7 upon 8. So here again, we don't have denominator, Lakshmi. So I will take 1 as a denominator. 1 is the denominator. If we don't have denominator means it's understood we have a 1. So 4 upon 1 plus 7 upon 8. Here we have to take LCM. 8 ones are 8. Take the same numbers 4 upon 1 plus 7 upon 8. LCM is 8, right? LCM is 8. So 1 8s are 8. Same 8 I will copy for numerator. Same denominator what we have multiplied, same number I will copy for numerator. Okay, here 8 ones are 8 and the same one I will copy for numerator. So what is on 4 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32 and 1 8s are 8 plus 7 ones are 7, 8 ones are 8. So we have to find the sum of these numbers. Here they have given plus sign. So see here 4 upon 1 plus 7 upon 8. We have to take LCM. LCM is a 8. 8 ones are 8. If you have a 1 here, so always same number is our LCM. 8 ones are 8. Here we got 4 ones are 5 ones are 5. Here we got 5 ones are 5. Here it's a 8 ones are 8. LCM is 8. So 4 upon 1. In one table when we will get 8, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, like that 1 eights are 8. Same 8 I will copy for numerator. Same 8 I will copy for numerator. And here 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Same one I copy for numerator. So now 4 8s are 32, 1 8s are 8, 7 ones are 7, 8 ones are 8. So this is addition, right? Because we have a plus sign, so I'll add these two numbers. 32 plus 7, 39 upon 8, correct? 39 upon 8. We can keep this as it is, otherwise we can convert this for mixed fraction. Because it is an improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator, so we can convert this fraction for mixed fraction. So I'll convert it. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 fives are 40. We can take 5s are, so you will take 4s are, 8 fours are 40. 8 fours are 40. So what is 8 fours? Sorry. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. And what is the remainder? In 39, if you subtract 32, it's a 7. Correct. We have to write it in the QRD form. So denominator, quotient is 4. And here 7. 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 7, 39. This is the answer. Is this clear? Lakshmi? Yes. Shri? Yes, very good, Pasanidya. Shri, understood? Sanket? Yes, okay, ma. So next Tanu, Srivarsha, S. Rishit. Very good. So third sum is 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. See here we have a two denominators. 5 and 7 is our denominator. 5 and 7 is our denominator. Here we have to take LCM. Without LCM we can do, but you have to think, because see here 5 and 7 are both are prime numbers. 5 and 7 both are prime numbers. It doesn't divide from any other number. 5 ones are 5, 1 5 are 5. 7 ones are 7, 1 7 are 7. Both the number doesn't divide from any other number. So using prime numbers, we can multiply these two. 5 7s are 35. 35 is our LCM. But if you didn't understand, easily you can take LCM. 5 and 7. In 5 table, 5 ones are 5, as it is 7. Next 7 table, 7 ones are 7. So 5 into 7 into 1. So 5 ones are 5. So 5 sevens are 35. So 35 is our LCM. 35 is our LCM. So now I have to multiply this 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. So in 5 table, when 35 will come, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35, 7 I will write here, 7 I will write here, and the same 7 I will copy for numerator, same 7 I will copy for numerator, and I will go for 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 5s are 40. 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35. So same number I'll copy for numerator, 7 5s are 35. Okay, 7 5s are 35. See here, 5 7s are 35, 7 5s are 35. 5 7s are 35, 7 5s are 35. Both our denominators are same now. Without making same denominator, we can't add and subtract. To add or subtract, we need same denominator. So we are taking LCM here. 5 sevens are 35. So 3 sevens are 21 upon 5 sevens are 35. Plus 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. So we got same denominators now. Yes, Rishit? Same denominators we got now. So 21 upon 35, 10 upon 35. Now we have to add these numbers. So 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 upon 35. This is the answer, correct? 31 upon 35. This is the answer. Here, this is a proper fraction. Gautam, listen. 31 upon 35. This is the proper fraction. We can't convert this for mixed fraction. 31 upon 35, it is a proper fraction. Here numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. We can't convert this for mixed fraction. So we'll keep as it is. Okay. Understand? If you understand, just show me the thumb. Yes, understand, Tanush? Ashmita? Yes, okay, very good, pa. Yes, Shri, you didn't understand? So listen, here we have a fractions 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 7. You keep in mind, when denominators are same, then only we can add or subtract the fractions. We need same denominator to add or subtract, but here we have a different denominators. First, we have to make these denominators same. So we will take LCM. 5 and 7 we take for LCM. So 5 ones are 5 and 7 as it is. 7 ones are 7. So 7 ones are 7. Now 5 into 7 into 1. 5 sevens are 35. 35 ones are 35. And I will multiply 5 sevens are, we will get 35. 5 sevens are 35. and same 7 I'll copy for numerator. Same 7 I'll copy for numerator. And again in 7 table, when 35 will come, 7 is a 7, 7 2 is a 14, 7 3 is a 21, 7 4 is a 28, 7 5 is a 35. So 7 5 is a 35, and same 5 I'll copy for numerator. 3 7s are 21, 5 7s are 35, 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. So when we add these two numbers, 21 plus 7 is a 31, 31 upon 35. We can't convert these numbers, these fraction for mixed fraction, because it's a proper. Only improper fractions can be converted to mixed fraction. Okay? Is this clear? Yes. Yes, next question is 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. Can you try this sum? Fourth one. Can you try this? Let's try to solve this. 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. 9 by 11, 4 by 15. So try to solve this. Take LCM. Take LCM. So 11 and 15, we have to take LCM. Always we have to start from a smaller number. In 2 table, we won't get 15. So I'll go for 3 table, 11 as it is. 3 5s are 15. 11 as it is. So 5 1s are 5. So now from 11. So now 3 into 5 into 11 equals how much? 3 5s are 15. 15 11s are 165. So 165 is our LCM. 165 is our LCM. So 3 5s are 15. 15 10s are 150. So 15 11s are, so 11 means 165. So 165 is our LCM. So 9 11s are minus 4 15s, 4 upon by 15. So 9 upon 11, 9 by 11. This is the given fraction in 11 table. When I'll get 165, 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, like that. When we reach 15s, 11 15s, you can easily multiply, because see here 11 5s are 55, 1 carry, 11 ones are 11 plus 1. 11 5s are 55, 11 5s are 55, 5 carry, 11 ones are 11, 11 plus 6, 16. So 165, so 15, same 15 I will copy for numerator. 15 11s are 165, and the same number I will copy for numerator. So 9 15s are 15 9s are how much? 15 9s are 135. Here 165 minus 11 4s are 44 minus 165. When you subtract these two, 135 minus 44. In 5 if you subtract 4, it's a 1. Here it's a 13. In 13 if you subtract 4, it's a 9. So what is the answer? 91 upon 165. 91 upon 165. This is the answer. Correct? Is this clear? So 91 upon 169. 91 by 165. Is this clear? If you didn't understand, raise your hand. Yes, very good. Many are sent already answers. Very good. Melvin, yes, Farooq, Tanushree, Srivarsha, Alfina. Yes, very good. Okay, see here. So today we have solved exercise 2.14 sums we have solved. This is the fractions already you have solved in your previous year. Already you have learnt addition, subtraction sums, right? Are you understood all these 4 sums? Who didn't understand? I'll explain once again. Yes, very good. Who didn't understand? Tell me, Pa. If you didn't understand, I will explain once again. Yes. Tanush, understood? Mohan, Ashmita, yes, Netresh, very good. Melvin, understand, Pa? Yes. Aisha, yes, Sanidhya, yes, Malakshmi. Janardhan Naidu, what's your name, Pa? Yes. Okay, Ma. Soham, Sohan Bera, yes, Ma. Ganavi, so hope all understood. So today I will send the few more sums you have to do in your homework book. With this 4 sum, you have to solve few more sums in your homework book. Okay? Understand? I will send 2 more extra sums. You have to solve these sums in your homework with including that 2 more few sums you have to solve yourself. Okay? Yes. So for last final one more sum we will solve. So here we have a number, fifth one, 2 upon 2 by 3 plus 3, 1 by 2. 2, 2 upon 3, 3, 1 upon 2. Okay, this is the number. 2, 2 upon 3 plus 3, 1 upon 2. This is the number. So here they have given mixed fraction. Here they have given mixed fraction. So we have to convert this for improper fraction. Then we have to find the sum of these numbers. Okay, so here we have to multiply these 2 numbers and we have to add with this. See here, 2 into 3 plus 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 upon 3. Next, 3 into 2 plus 1, 7 upon 2. This is the number. Okay, we have converted for improper fractions. Here 8 upon 3, 7 upon 2. These 2 are improper fractions. Now we can find the sum for this. Here also we have a different denominators. First we will make the denominator same. Without making denominator same, you can't add and subtract. Always you should make the denominators same. So our new fractions are 8 upon 3 plus 7 upon 2. This is our new fractions. So now 3 and 2 I will take and I'll take LCM. So 2, 3 as it is, 1s are, and from 3. So 2 into 3 into 1, 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. 6 is the LCM. Okay, 6 is the LCM. So now in 3 table, when you will get 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Same number I'll copy for our numerator. And then plus 7 upon 2. In 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. And the same number I'll copy for numerator. So 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6, plus 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6. 16 plus 21 upon 6. And keep in mind, you are not supposed to add the denominators. Denominators are always as it is same. You have to keep the same denominator. Don't add the denominators. Only numerator you have to add. Only numerators you have to add, not denominators. So 16 plus 21, 6 plus 1 7, 1 plus 2 3. So 37 upon 6. This is our answer. 37 upon 6. This is the answer. Is this clear? Listen carefully one more time. Here they have given 2, 2 upon 3 plus 3, 1 upon 2. They have given mixed fractions. We have to convert these fractions to improper fractions. So 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3, and 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2. So now these two numbers are new fractions. I have chosen these two, and I have to take LCM for these denominators 3 and 2. 2 1s are 3 1s are. So 2 3s are 6. So 6 3 2s are 6, and same 2 I'll copy for here. 2 3s are 6 and same 3 I'll copy for numerator. Now 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6, 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6. And now 16 plus 21, when we add these two, I will get 37 upon 6. I will get 37 upon 6. So again we got a improper fraction. We can convert this for proper fraction. We can convert for mixed fraction. Okay. So 37 is a numerator. It is greater than denominator. 37 is greater than 6. So we can convert this for mixed fraction. Otherwise we can keep the answer as it is. Okay. If I ask particularly convert the answer to mixed fraction, you have to convert in and you have to keep in mixed fraction. Otherwise you can keep as it is. Okay, Raza? Raza, understand? Yes, yes, Farooq. Yes, okay. So Mohan, understand? Varsha? Yes. So listen. If you have doubt, please text me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Okay, Preetam, Yatish, Shri, yes, Gnanesh. Gnanesh, take bedsheet, pa. Sit properly. How you are sitting? Gnanesh. Yes, Gautam. Yes, okay, pa. So today we will wind up our class here itself. Sorry for the disturbance. So practice these sums. I will send the pic. Okay, first I will send only the questions. Practice those questions. Tomorrow I will send the answers. Okay. Okay. So take care. Stay safe. Utilize the time. Don't waste the time. At least 1 hour. Practice the math sums. Okay. Yes. Take care. Bye. We will meet in tomorrow's session. Okay. Bye.